Katie Price has teased fans that she might rebuild her empire, which once included modeling, clothing, perfume and book deals. The former glamour model is facing another bankruptcy hearing this year, after her £3.2 million bankruptcy debt hearing in London was postponed last summer. Katie, 44, was predicted to have a difficult time in court after it was claimed that liquidators handling the paying of creditors said that she has not been engaging fully with the process. Since last summer, the star has returned to having cosmetic surgery, including her 16th breast augmentation and biggest to date, as she opted for 2,120cc implants. The mum of five flaunted her new hefty assets in a photo shoot posing in a skimpy pink bikini. The surgery comes as the star revealed she has plans to return to OnlyFans, which could be a signal she plans to rebuild her glamour model career and empire. Speaking to her 2.6 million fans on Instagram, the star used a poll to ask, "Shall I make a comeback and create my empire again?" In 2019, Katie was declared bankrupt after previously building an empire worth £45 million. The potential comeback comes just before the former Page 3 model will head to court to face up to bankruptcy debts. The hearing was originally delayed from November 2021 to last summer before being moved again. Last year, a source reportedly told The Sun, the delay will give the courts the chance to see how fully she is now working with the people she owes money to and provide a clearer picture of where she stands in repaying her debts. Katie had agreed a payment plan with creditors in February, as well as paying some of the cash that is owed to lenders for mortgages she had secured against her Sussex home, which was dubbed Mucky Mansion. The mum of five has been exploring revenue avenues after the collapse of her businesses, including selling clothes via Depop and also rejoining OnlyFans. The former glamour model posed in a wet-through high-rise leotard in the shower, promoting her new photos on the X-rated site as she returned after a Christmas break. Few days time for new pictures and content on my OnlyFans page. The link is in my bio, she added the caption. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.